The scanning tool we use primarily is the Leica RTC 360 LiDAR scanner. It's a pretty robust scanner. It can capture up to, I think, 300 meters away. So it's great for scanning houses or large boats or large spaces. Scanning has opened up a lot of things for us. Jim and I were in the bilge of a boat with a tape measure and a little notepad, and we were down there trying to take as-built measurements, and it was uncomfortable, it was dirty, and we knew as soon as we left, we realized we had 10 dimensions that we'd forgotten to take. So we're like, wouldn't it be great if we could scan this with just, click and have everything? It has turned out to be incredible because less than an hour we can have incredibly detailed picture of a space or a boat or whatever that we can then come back to the office and know we didn't miss a dimension anywhere. We have everything that we need. From that scan, we can then directly start designing. The design work translates to the cutting table in basically a one-to-one relationship, and that is the beauty of the CNC. How things used to be done, you would design something and then you would do two-dimensional drawings with tons of dimensions all over them, and you would give it to the builder and they would have to lay out everything. Then they would have to fit it all together, and maybe you got all your dimensions right, maybe everything is working right, maybe it's not. So there's a lot of figuring and fitting and measuring on the part of the builder. With the CNC machine, what I've modeled is exactly what gets built. It allows us to utilize more of the envelope, the volume that we're filling with our furniture, because we know the accuracy is there because of the scanning and then the accuracy of the CNC machine as well. We know what we're getting. There's no surprises. We know it's going to fit. So that's the beauty of it. We're able to move from conceptual to accurate 3D model in a very efficient manner because when we CNC cut panels for, say, a locker that has shelves in it with adjustable shelves, we actually model in and then cut in the holes for the shelf pins. And the reason we do that is because it's all aligned in exactly how we want it in the model. And then when it's all cut, because of the way we cut and assemble our parts, everything is self-aligning. So we know those shelves are going to be exactly as we expect them to be, lined up, level, everything. The hinges will be exactly where we want them so that the doors have the perfect reveal all the way around the opening for the door. So it takes a lot of fitting and finishing out of the equation for the builders, which saves a huge amount of time. And it just is a huge knock-on effect for efficiency of the project.